Viewers, in this video we will see the simplification of Boolean function using Karnaugh map, K-map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Obtain the simplified expression in sum of product for the following Boolean function. We need to simplify the expression. The sum of product, the following function is Boolean function is given. It is given in terms of Minterm, sum of Minterm. F equal to sum of Minterm 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Right? These 5 terms are available. 5 Minterms are available. So we have the 15 is available. So definitely we need, there is a 4 variable K map. Right? The 15 is 2 to the power 4, 16. There are 16 combinations. So definitely we need 4 variable K map. Right? The given function is F equal to sum of Minterm 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 5 terms are available. From the number 15 case we can easily identify that there are 4 variables are available. Let us consider the 4 variable A, B, C, D. Now we'll frame the K map. So the A and B is taken in the vertical manner. This vertical side A, B is taken. C, D is taken in a horizontal side. Horizontal manner. How it is written? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right? So 0, 0 means C bar, D bar. 0, 1 means 0 means C bar. 1 means D. 1, 1 means CD. You can write CD as it is. 1, 0. 1 means C as it is. 0 means D bar. Similarly, this side we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So there is a interchange in the third row and fourth row. Similarly, there is a interchange between third column and fourth column. 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0 is written in fourth column and 1, 1 is written in third column. There is a interchange. Similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 is written in fourth row. 1, 1 is written in the third row. There is a interchange between third and fourth row as well as third and fourth column. Right. But 0, 0 means A bar, B bar. 0 represents A bar. This 0 represents B bar. Similarly, 0, 1. 0 means A bar. 1 means B. 1, 1 means we can write as it is, A, B. 1, 0 means 1 is A, 0 means B bar. Right. So we wrote all the terms. Right. A and B written in vertical side. C and D written in horizontal side. Right. And also because in this problem the min terms are given. So we can represent the min term also in the K map. This red color letters, numbers are represent the min terms. Right. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also there is a change in the min terms. The change in the order. Right. So the 0, 1, 2 is written in fourth column. 3 is written in the third column. There is a interchange, not in a order. 0, 1, 2, 3, not like that. 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 is written in fourth column, 3 is written in the third column. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. There is an interchange between 6 and 7 also. Then 8 is written in the fourth row. Right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, we are interchange between third and fourth column. Similarly, there is an interchange between third and fourth row also. Right? After 7, 8 is written in the fourth row. 8, 9, 10, 11. There is an interchange. Then 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? So this red color numbers represent the min terms. Min terms are represented by the red color line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right. So in this problem the min terms are directly given. So it is very easy to represent this min term directly in the K map. Right. The 11 is given. So this is 11. So the 11 is given. 11 is marked as 1. Right. 11. Then 12. 12 is given. So the 12 is available here. So that is given. What is 12? 12 is nothing but A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar is nothing but 12. Right. In this problem 12 is directly given. Suppose that 12 is nothing but equivalent to A, B, C bar, D bar. That is 1, 1, 0, 0. So that is given directly by 12. Similarly other terms also. Right. Then 13. This is 13. 13 is given. Then 14 available here. Then 15 available here. Right. So there are 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are marked as, right? So this min terms directly given, it is equivalent to, we can refer the diagram, we can equivalent terms or we can print. For example, 14 is nothing but a, b, then here c, d bar. A, B, C, D bar is nothing but 14. But in this problem, 14 is given directly. Now we marked all the min terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are marked. The remaining terms are zeros. The remaining terms are zeros. Now we can go for the grouping of this cell, grouping of this number 1, so that we can get the simplified expression. So then that grouping, there are 1 cell grouping, 2 cell grouping, 4 cell grouping and 8 cell grouping, right? First we need to say any 8 cell grouping is available. Not available here, only there are 5 cells are available, 5 ones are available, so there is no possibility of any 8 cell grouping. Then we'll go for 4 cell grouping. Any 4 cell grouping is available. We can group these 4 ones, right? So first we need to identify any 8 groups are there, or 4 groups are there, or 2, or finally only 1, right? No other groups are there, mean we can go for only one group. So 8 group is not available because only 5 ones are available. So it is possible to go 4 groups. So these 4 ones are, we can group as it is. So this is a 4 cell grouping. This is the first group. Now after grouping, this one is available alone. So these 2 ones are grouped together with a 2 cell grouping, right? So these 2 ones, there is no other possibilities, right? So these 4 ones are grouped as a 4 cell grouping. These 2 ones are grouped as a 2 cell grouping. Now we'll see the expression. What is the expression for this, right? So these 4 ones are grouped together, right? But now while grouping these 4 ones, we have to refer this term. Similarly, these 4 terms, right, corresponding the row side and column side, right? The corresponding row is available as AB, right? So what about the column? The C bar, D bar available, C D bar is available. All are got cancelled. C bar, D bar is cancelled by CD, is complement. C bar, D bar, CD is complement. Similarly, C bar, D is complement of CD bar. So all 4 terms are got cancelled. Only we have AB, right? So that is available. That is written here. This is the first grouping. Grouping of 4 cells. Grouping of 4 cells having the term AB, right? So while grouping these 4 cells, we have to refer corresponding row side and column side. The row side is nothing but AB. Column side we have 4 terms. All are got cancelled. This C bar, D bar cancelled by CD. C bar, D is cancelled by CD bar because C bar got cancelled. D bar also cancelled. Only we have AB, right? So then we'll see this grouping of these 2 cells. While grouping these 2 cells, we have to refer corresponding these 2 terms. Row side, these 2 terms. AB bar, right? Similarly, in the vertical side, we have to refer CD, right? Okay. A B bar. So this B bar got cancelled. Only we have A. Then in the vertical side, what we have? CD. So that A, C, D, right? So while grouping these 2 cells, we have to refer these 2 terms in the row side, this 1 term in the column side. These 2 terms A B bar, B bar got cancelled. Only we have A. Then here we have CD. So A, C, D is the term available for the second grouping of 2 cells, right? So in this problem, the sum of min terms are given. Sum of min terms are marked in the K map. So this red color number represent the min terms. So we can directly, easily we marked the 1 in the K map. Then we go for a grouping. There is a 2 groups. These 4 cells are grouped together. These 2 cells are grouped together. Thereafter, we find the expression, we find the term for this 4 grouping. Similarly, these 2 grouping. What we got? A, B plus A, C, D. That is the final answer. So the given Boolean function is now reduced into this form, A, B plus A, C, D. Right? So in this problem, we solve the K map with the sum of min terms. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.